Welcome to the 2025 Holden Kingswood review. Experience the ultimate blend of style, comfort, and performance. The 2025 Holden Kingswood is redefining the full-size sedan experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the Kingswood's sleek exterior design, spacious interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to unleash the ultimate driving experience. Exterior design. The 2025 Kingswood boasts a sophisticated and aerodynamic design, featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, iconic Holden grille, 19-inch alloy wheels, power folding exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, chrome exhaust tips. Its bold lines and elegant stance command attention on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Kingswood offers premium leather appointed seating for 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats, 12-inch touchscreen display, MyLink infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Holden driver assistance package, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Kingswood boasts 3.6 LV6 engine, 310 HP, 271 lb-ft torque, 2.0L turbocharged petrol engine, 252 HP, 295 lb-ft torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive system. Performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, sport mode, the Kingswood delivers exceptional performance. 0 to 60 mph 5.5 seconds. Top speed 155 mph. Quarter mile 13.8 seconds. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Holden Kingswood is available in 3 trim levels. RS, starting at $43,995. SS, starting at $48,495. Calais, starting at $53,495. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.